Power User with Crash Long Johns. That's me. We're continuing our Novice Power Apps series, and in this video, we will review how to pull in the user information. With that said, let's get started and jump over the computer. Now that we're at the computer, you'll see that we already have our Power Apps Studio opened up, and we're going to jump in and go ahead and look at user information. With that, let's go ahead and insert a few things here. I'm going to insert label, a couple of labels here, and I'm going to go ahead and copy this times. Actually, before I do that, let's go ahead and make these 100 in width. Just copy, get rid of these other two. That's a couple times. And we're going to go ahead and label what these is. I'm going to do login user. Going to do log user email. And we're going to do it logged in users measure city. That should do it. Let's go for one more here. Do logged in user department. A little bit better order. There we go. Now let's go ahead and get us some text input. Times fields. Go ahead and get rid of. Let's all right, logged in user. So one easy way we can do that is we can just type in user, open close brackets, or open close, and then dot full name. This will turn back the user that's actually in the app, their full name. If I look at user email, same thing. I can just type in user email, and we'll pull back the email. The user's department is going to be a little bit different because, again, under user, we see that we don't have department as an option. What we're going to do is we're going to do a data connections. We're going to go ahead and click on data, add, and this time we're going to do Office. We're going to do Office 365 users. We're going to add that data connector. It's added now. Now if we go to our logged in user department, now if we actually type in Office, we'll get the Office 365 users. We're going to do dot, and we're going to do my profile, close that, then do dot department. In this case, looks like I don't have a department, but if you did, it'd pull in the department. Now if we go down to manager city, this one also we could do our office. We're going to do our Office 365 users dot manager. Now we're going to inside here. We're also going to put in Office user dot my profile. Close that dot ID. Then close that dot city. What this is doing is looking at my profile, looking for my manager, and then what the city is. All right, so there is a quick look as far as looking at the users. Now let's go one step further, and we're just going to do a quick one here. That is always a good one that you might have people ask you to do. And we're going to go ahead and do a input here. We're going to do a combo box. We have our combo box. And we're going to go ahead and take our combo box. We're going to data source it for Office 365 users. And for this is we're going to do our items, Office 365 user dot search user, and then put if, and then say is blank. We're going to do our combo box dot search text. Close that. Common. We're going to do search term, and then for Z's, we're going to close this squiggly, comma, do another search term, combo box, dot search text, and then close. What that's doing is it's basically looking at the Office 365 user and the search. It's blank, it doesn't come back with anything, but whatever's typed in, it will go look and see what's in the Active Directory area. So we still got a couple more things that we need to do. We're going to do our edit over here. We're going to do our data layout. We're going to actually pick person. We're going to pick display name. Secondary, we can do mail. In search field, we're going to do display name. Then last but not least, we're going to scroll down here a little bit, and we're going to also make sure allow searching is on. So now if we play this, and actually before I do that, I'm going to go back in and do one other, because I'm actually going to edit my field again, and I'm actually going to not have that actually showing for mail. I'll just say job title. All right. Now let's go ahead and preview. Now, if I start typing in Crash Junior, we see that Crash Junior shows up. Pick Crash, take Crash out. We put in Craig Gregory, Craig, Rebecca, and Rebecca. There you have a combo box that allows you to pick a person from your organization. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Go check out the previous videos on the Power Apps Novice series if you haven't yet. Thank you for stopping by. Until next time, keep learning.